Hello and welcome to Top of the World. I'm Simon, and in the back of my car there is my outboard. Honda 4-stroke, 2 horses. I only need 2 horses because I'm only little. Anyway, it's only got 1 cylinder and that was coughing and spluttering and it ain't putting right. So I've whipped it off and tomorrow morning we're going to crack that open and see what the problem is. Right, we'll see what's going on with this now then. I don't know why that wasn't attached properly. Have we got water in the fuel? Right, let's get the plug out. And I think we'll drain the carb at the same time. Just to see if there's I suppose we should have a look at the oil level. The oil level's halfway there. No, that's where it should be. So it's good on oil, but it ain't running smoothly. Well, that looks all right. I don't know why it won't focus. Anyway, I'll give it a bit of a clean. Well, that don't look good. That's not good at all. That's definitely not good. Well, there's your problem. Hoo, hoo, hoo. There was a lot of water in there. There was a lot of water in there. Well, I weren't expecting that. Okay, this is what I've drained out of the carburettor. And that what looks to be a bubble is water. And I'm not quite sure why it's that colour, because this is just petrol. This is a 4-stroke engine. There you go. So not only did it have a large amount of water, it's also not a good colour. Not a good colour at all. What's come out the tank, even worse. So this has come out of the tank, and this has got dirt and oil floating on the top. So the petrol and the petrol tank's completely contaminated with water, oil and debris. Not good. Not good at all. So I can't even begin to imagine. So I think the first thing to do, look at that. That's incredible. Is tip those two into the same container and wash out the tank. Well, that's better. Perfect. I'll show you the difference. So that's what I've just washed out the tank with. Perfect. This is what's come out the carburetor and the tank. That's what it should look like. That's what's just come out. Wow. I'm amazed that was running. Okay. Am I in the middle of all manner of jobs? Yes. So put this clean back in. Well, that don't pour very well, does it? What crap thing that is, made in China. Right. We're going to have to take the carburetor off. See all that water in there, muck? Not good at all. Yeah, I've got to take the carburetor off. There's a mosquito in here. That's clean. The needle seems to be needle and seat are good. Well, I'm not really quite sure. Why it's all in such a mess. Well, what I took out of it's starting to separate. Are you ready for the shock? That came out of that, I'm embarrassed to say. That's water and petrol and dirt and muck and all sorts of nastiness. So I'm not quite sure how that water's got in that tank. Right, I'm just not. Anyway, there we go. Water and petrol. Water, petrol and dirt. It's amazing that run. It's only single cylinder. There we go. I'm amazed that run. That's a lot of water. Right, well I don't suppose it's going to have any trouble running now. For 1 minute. That's how it's supposed to run, just like that. Well, I can already tell you that's fixed. There we go. Amazing. So that's quite embarrassing for me, that is. I'd go as far as to say that's not possible. Anyway, it's got to be because I'm looking at it. Fixed. Right, hopefully that's fixed that. We'll pop this on the boat. See if it works better than it did. Good job. Right. There you go. Beautiful job. That'll do it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.